Fund My Crop was born out of an incident actually. My father runs an organic certification company, and I happened to visit his project. So what I saw was a lot of laborers working under farmers. Even though they had land, they were not cultivating in it. And when we found out that this problem is bigger, and that 85% of Indian farmers are marginal farmers who have on average less than 4 acres of land and earn less than 10,000 a month for their livelihood. So that is why we took up this challenge to solve for our farmers. So we are two founders which started Fund My Crop, myself Sharad Patil and my partner Nitin S. Bhatt. We are normal engineers, we were not even toppers in our college, but we have been serial entrepreneurs failing a lot in different startups, and this is finally clicking. But it is normal people trying to create an impact in farmers' life. Fund My Crop basically ties up with fruits and vegetable shops. These are usually small mom and pop stores across city. We set supply to them from our farmers, and then deliveries happen from these shops within 3 kilometers, and all deliveries are within 1 hour, and also delivery charges are not more than 25 to 30 rupees. This ensures that our transit time is very low and the freshness of fruits and vegetables is maintained. The quality, delivery within an hour, and nominal pricing with minimal delivery charge. All this is like pillars of what we do. But what we also want to give to our customers is that they are not only buying commodity, but they are also creating impact in someone's life. So when they buy from somewhere else and when they purchase products from us, we want to ensure and probably convey to them that they are creating impact in someone's life by purchasing from Fund My Crop. If you consider Karnataka, there are 121 registered farmer producer organizations, which are FPOs, and more than 70% of them do not have market access. This is as per government stats. This is mainly because these were formed by government to do a output based business, that is selling, helping those farmer groups to sell, to market through company or through their own delivery kind of engagement. But this is not happening because most of them are indulged in input based business only, and none are focusing on corporate tie-ups. So holistically what I see is connecting all these FPOs across India. So if we can recognize their strength and aggregate that to an export market, we see a lot of big opportunity in that. Coming back to the way we give it to our customers, we want to build a brand around farmers. So if you see, when you think of Ayurveda, there is Patanjali and there are other brands built up. But when you think of a farmer, there is no brand which you can remember as of today in India. We want to become that brand wherein we represent farmer and not just the produce. And we don't want to stick to just fruits and vegetables, but let's say later on if we get into millets or honey or any processed foods, we want to be that gateway wherein we can get all this farmer produce to be sold to Tier 1 and Tier 2 city customers through us. It has been a roller coaster ride for us actually. So we have met more than 750 farmers across Karnataka, right from Belgaum to Mysuru. There is a lot of variations in these farmers, their strengths and weaknesses, but there were certain recognitions and awards which kept us going. One of it was Rashtriya Krishi Vignan Yojana grant which we got from Ministry of Agriculture. There are only a handful of startups from Karnataka who have got this. Then we got recognition also from Pitch Fest Thai chapter Mysuru. We won a cash prize there. There is also a couple of articles coverage in the Hindu, Krishi Jagran and in the News Minute. So we have two business verticals. One is we sell to businesses and one is we sell to consumers. On the business front, so we want to kind of become a platform for any exporter to tap any of these farmer producer organizations. And on the consumer front, we want to become a brand which represents farmers. This might be for for farm produce or fresh produce like fruits and vegetables. It can also be for something like millets and honey and other products later on. But we holistically want to build that brand of farmers.